Okay, so what's up, folks? So I'm going to do something a little bit kind of new for me. This is definitely a follow-up video. I'm going to say this is at least part two, a full-on video. Um, so I have in a previous video how to build a bag. I will attach a video to this. So I'll building this wall up. I'm cooking up on my wood burning stove here. I'm backfilling this side over here with leaves. You can backfill with whatever you want, preferably something organic that will decompose and basically making dirt. So how do you start a new row? Once you got a row going, it's pretty easy. You fill up the bag, you fold over the end, you flop it down, you tamp it down, and keep on going. Depends on the application of what you're doing. You need to either pin them or put layers of barbed wire in between them, keep them from sliding on top of each other. In this particular application, I don't need to worry about that. It makes it really easy to make the videos. So I've already pre-filled one bag. Let me back up a second. To start a new row, you need two bags. And you put them open end to open end. Butt them up against each other pretty much at the same time. Some people pin them, you can put some tape on them until you get pretty good at it, and then you don't got to really do either one. You just kind of use your foot or your hand or a rock or something to hold one bag shut while you put the next one over. I'm just going to kind of free ball it here. Once again, Youngstown, damn good gloves, slightly overpriced. These are not insulated ones. They make them insulated. Take care of your damn hands. I will have the link on my first comment. One of these days, I might actually make a couple bucks, but in the meanwhile, fuck it. I'm using the gloves. I'm going to use them. I buy them on Amazon. I want to advertise it. If it takes me a year to make $5 doing so, well, I guess you gotta start somewhere, right? Okay, so we got one bag already full. We got our bucket. We got our feed sack. Now I'm using 50-pound feed sack. We're gonna go ahead and put these inside out. I'm not going to go into too much detail. I have plenty of other videos for you to check out. I think I'll say this a couple times. Like and subscribe. There's plenty more to come, and I've been pretty consistent. I was down for a couple weeks. Got sick. My back was pissed off about laying around when I was sick. But I'm on recharge now. So I got the bag. Let me go grab my bucket here. I'm just a poor old boy, redneck boy. It's unedited, slightly choreographed. Trying to figure this out. Alright, stuck the bucket in there. So here's where my new row is going to be, right here. So I got a layer. Think of it as like bricks. So you don't want to put everything stacked right on top of each other. They just kind of fall over. You can kind of get away with it in this particular application for what I'm doing. But in general, you just don't really want to do that. And then that's what I'm going to avoid now. I already got one full bag. I got the seam down. Very important. And you can find that seam right there. If it's going to split, that's where it's going to happen. And you want that down. Or inward, not up. All right, so we need two full bags. No. When you got to move dirt from over there to over here, that's where the buckets come in. Up. Generally 50-pound bags, about 2 5-gallon buckets. But you can always make them a little smaller, and you can always make them a little bit bigger. You don't want your material to be 100% dry. You want it to be a little bit moist. So when I'm done here today, I'm going to spray my area down with a water hose tonight to moisten everything up. Tomorrow I'll dig it out. It'll still be moist but not wet. And I usually do 1 to 2 bags a day for whatever said project I'm on. That way I don't get my own ass kicked. I'm over here doing this by myself. Two 5-gallon bucket. So, seam down, seam down. I'm going to fold the bag here. I'm going to fold that bag there, slap them together, and then I'm going to tamp it down. Always try to do the top first. Top or outside first. Because the bottom will always stay, because you got the weight of the bag and the other bag holding it. So I did the top, outside, and the bottom. I'm giving it a twist. Alright, so I'm still holding it. One hand. I want to put my foot right there. Well, there, my other foot. Same thing. All right, see how it's overlapping here and overlapping right here just a little bit. You see that okay? All right, like I said, doing this by myself as well, not professionally as possible. Okay. And here's where the magic happens. But I'm getting in uncharted territory here. See, I got a vent pipe. Kind of messing me up a little bit. And I'm going to short stroke it right here. Well, damn it. Hey, like I said, uncharted territory. Laugh at me. Leave some comments. Got any better ideas? But I brought this jackhammer spade home from work. It's a flat plate. Let's see how this works out. Hey, use good posture. All right, I think that kind of gets the point across. So on the other side of that wall, I got a wood burning stove, and that's not flammable. Sure, maybe plastic is, metal box. So the idea of it is, I'm going to have a conductive heat source, even after the fire goes out. That material, those bags are still going to be warm and will continue to radiate heat into my living space. From here, I just keep on rock and rolling. So I have enough room for one more bag there, but then I got to go way down there and put another bag and go one. Or there, I got room for a few more bags. I've created a new layer. That's pretty much the point of this video. I will add another video to this one. Check it out. Again, like and subscribe. If you're feeling really leggy, Youngstown, get hooked up with some decent gloves. Easier said than done, right? All right, peace, love, hippie chicks. Yeah, I like my peace, love, and hippie chicks, okay? I'm a retro redneck. Y'all have a wonderful evening. Make life happen, okay?